All right, here is a really, really simple tartar sauce. You could make it by hand with pickles and all that kind of stuff, or you could just get Heinz pickle relish, either sweet kind or just a regular kind. And it's good. I mean, it's okay. It's fast. So, and all I use, and you could add all kinds of stuff, but I keep mine real simple. So it's mayonnaise. This is a new one. Some relish. And it's easy enough to make a really good one. But I'm kind of under the gun here today, so. And that's some dill. And of course, if you have, dill growing outside or something, it's way better than the canned dill. And a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And that's that.